Welcome. This video is for 5 a day A-level questions for P1 day 5. In day 1 we have covered till 20 questions. Now in day 5 we are starting with question number 21. A circle x square plus y square plus 6x minus 2y plus 26 minus 26 equals to 0. Find the coordinates of the center of the circle and the radius. So what am I going to do? X square plus 6x and y square minus 2y equals to 26. Now we see that this number is 6. So 6 divided by 2 is 3. So 3 square is 9. Add 9 on both sides. And this number is 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. Add 1 square on both sides and you should be getting. The reason is I am completing the square for this one. It is x plus 3 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square equals to 36. So the center is going to be minus 3 comma 1 and the radius is going to be 6. Now find the coordinates of the lowest point of the circle. So this is a circle. Center is minus 3 comma 1, negative 3 comma 1 and the radius is going to be 6. So it is the lowest point. Subtract 6 from here. So it's going to be negative 3 comma 1 minus 6, which is negative 3 comma negative 5. Now coming to the next question, question number 22. So the equation of a circle, points A and B lie on the circle. Find the values of A and B, hence find the coordinates of the center of the circle. So I am plugging in 1 comma 1 over here. So 1 square plus 1 square plus A plus B minus 12 equals to 0. So which gives me A plus B equals to 10. Then plugging 2 comma negative 6 over here, 4 plus 36 plus 2a minus 6b minus 12 equals to 0, which gives me 2a minus 6b equals to negative 28. We need to do the simultaneous equations for these both. So multiply the first equation with 6. 6a plus 6b equals to 60. 2a minus 6b equals to negative 28. Add both. 8a equals to 32. A equals to 4. Plug in a equals to 4 in the first equation. So you should be able to get 4 plus b equals to 10, b equals to 6. Once I got a and b, the center will be half of the value of a, which is 4 divided by 2 and opposite symbol. Similarly, half of b, 6 divided by 2 and opposite symbol. So which is going to be negative 2 comma negative 3. Find the equation of the tangent to the point circle at a point A, giving your answer. To point A. So A was 1 comma 1 and the center is negative 2 comma negative 3. So I am going to find it out the gradient of AC, gradient of the radius. M radius is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, which is going to be 4 upon 3. So gradient of the tangent will be negative 3 upon 4. So now the equation will be y minus y1 equals to m times x minus x1. So y equals to negative 3 upon 4x minus plus 3 upon 4 plus 1. So which is going to be y equals to minus 3 upon 4x plus 7 upon 4. Question number 23. So write in this form. So multiply with 4. 4y equals to negative 3x plus 7. 3x plus 4y equals to 7. So point B was 0 comma 2 and C was the center of the circle. Which was the center of the circle? 2 comma negative 4. So this is the center of the circle. So gradient of BC is going to be minus 4 minus 2 upon 2 minus 0, which is minus 6 upon 2, which is negative 3. So equation of BC is going to be y minus y1 equals to m times x minus x1. So y equals to negative 3x plus 2. Now we take the equation of the circle, which is x minus 2 whole square plus y plus 4 whole square equals to 20. So plug in that y value over here. So you should be getting x minus 2 whole square plus 2 minus 3x plus 4 whole square equals to 20. So x minus 2 whole square plus 6 minus 3x whole square equals to 20. So I quickly add a page over there so that I can get space for working. So it becomes x minus 2 whole square, then 2 common, it becomes, or 3 common, it becomes 2 minus x whole square equals to 20. So x minus 2 whole square plus 9 times again x minus 2 whole square equals to 20. 10 times x minus 2 whole square equals to 20. X minus 2 whole square equals to 2. X minus 2 equals to positive root 2. X minus 2 equals to negative root 2. So x equals to 2 minus root 2. X equals to 2 plus root 2. X equals to 2 minus root 2. So the obvious answer is 2 plus root 2 is not being considered. It is being rejected. So we consider only 2 minus root 2. From there, we get the value of y. What was the equation for y? Y equals to minus 3x plus 2. Negative 3x plus 2. So negative 3 times of 2 minus root 2 plus 2, which is 6 minus 6 plus 3 root 2 minus 6 plus 3 root 2 plus 2, which is nothing but what? 3 root 2 minus 4. So what is the coordinate now? 2 minus root 2 comma 3 root 2 minus 4. Last two questions. Question number 24. The circle with equation x plus 1 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square equals to 85 and the straight line are shown in the diagram. The line intersects the circle at A and B and the center of the circle is C. By calculation, find the coordinates of A and B. So x plus 1 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square equals to 85. But y is 3x minus 20. So it becomes x plus 1 whole square plus 3x minus 20 minus 2 whole square equals to 85. So this becomes x square plus 2x plus 1 plus 9x square minus this one was 3x minus 22 whole square minus 6 times 22 is 132x. Then 22 square is nothing but what? 484 plus 484 minus 85 equals to 0. This gives me 10x square minus 130x plus 400 equals to 0. So which is x square minus 13x plus 40 equals to 0. X minus 8 times x minus 5 equals to 0. So x equals to 8, x equals to 5. Now, but we know that y equals to 3x minus 20. So y equals to 24 minus 20, which is 4. Y equals to 10 minus 20, which is 15 minus 20, which is negative 5. So what are the points? 8 comma 4 and 5 comma negative 5. Then find the equation of a circle which has a center C, for which the line of the equation is the tangent to the circle. So C is the center, but 3x minus 20 is going to be the tangent. For part B, so the center is same, negative 1 comma 2. So negative 1 comma 2 is going to be the center of the circle. Now we know that A was 8 comma 4 and B was 5 comma negative 5. So I am going to find it out. Midpoint of AB. Midpoint of AB is x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2, which is nothing but what? 13 upon 2 comma negative 1 upon 2. Now I want to draw a circle with center over here. So we can see that this is going to be the radius. The midpoint of AB is going to be the radius. So midpoint of AB to center C is going to be the radius. So what is that? Radius is equals to 13 upon 2 minus of minus 1 whole square plus negative 1 upon 2 negative 2 whole square and square root, that's going to be the radius. So which is going to be nothing but what? Square root of 15 upon 2 whole square plus 5 upon 2 whole square, which is square root of 225 upon 4 plus 25 upon 4, which is square root of 250 upon 4. So that's going to be the radius. So what will be the equation of a circle? The same center, x plus 1 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square equals to 250 upon 4. So that's going to be the answer. Or else we can further simplify it out. This is 250 upon 4 can be written as 125 upon 2. Coming to question number 25. This is the equation of a circle, x minus 2 whole square plus y square equals to 8. It intersects y-axis at A. Y-axis means nothing but what? X equals to 0. So 0 minus 2 whole square plus y square equals to 8. So y square equals to 4. So y equals to 2. So what is going to be the point A? Point A is going to be 0, 2. Now I need to get the coordinate of B also. Now I got the value of y, which is nothing but what? 2. So x minus 2 whole square plus 2 square equals to 8. So x minus 2 whole square equals to 4. So x minus 2 equals to positive 2. X minus 2 equals to negative 2. So x equals to 0, x equals to 4. So this is point A and this is point B. So B is going to be nothing but how much? 4, 2. That's going to be the answer. So that completes this video. See you in the next video. Bye.